Hey guys, it's Tarzan Woodats here, and today I'm gonna teach you how to use chopsticks. Well, if you already know how to use chopsticks, that's okay. But if you don't know how to use chopsticks, then this will be the first time, the very first time, you get to use chopsticks. Here's a tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to use chopsticks. So, you see this one right here? This is like the Vulcan that Captain Spock uses from Star Trek. Just like this. And then you just have to, so the top one, this one chopstick goes up at the top just like this. Hold it like this, and then this bottom one, the other chopstick goes at the bottom. Just like this. And there you go. Chopsticks. You got this one? Good. And then you just gotta pick it up. It takes lots and lots of practice for you to pick up sushi or other food pieces with your chopsticks. And once you finally got it, you can now enjoy. Oh, sorry, I just jumped. Once you finally got it, you can now enjoy your sushi and other meals with your chopsticks. Mmm. Mmm. Good. Now, remember what I taught you. If you don't know how to use chopsticks, just watch that video. So, if you like this video, hit the like down below in the description. And make sure and please subscribe to me on my YouTube channel, and always thank you for watching. See you later.